it's Asteria. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. Today I'm coming back with another video showing you guys how to do a curly flip over. Today I'm featuring Asteria hair. We're going to be using 3 of the 22-inch water wave bundles. So I'm just going to start by pouring out my leave out and sectioning that off. For a curly flip over, you don't need as much leave out as you would need doing any other part. Now that my leave out is sectioned off, I'm just going to start doing my mold down. So I'm using my ORS wig grip gel, and then I'm just going to slick my hair back and start braiding in the direction that I kind of want my braid to lay. If you guys just watch, that'll make a little bit more sense to you. Exactly, like I braided in that direction where I didn't have to use a rubber band. So I just crisscrossed my braids and held them up while I put my cap on to ensure that it was still flat looking in the back. Then after your cap is on, you want to cut out your ear tab so that the cap lays as flat as possible to the leave out. This helps the cap not lift and aids in longevity. So now it's time to get into this install. So for my first 3 tracks, I'm going to lay those directly towards my face because that will help the install seamlessly flip over and blend better with my leave out. This is the first bundle install. The first bundle basically was 3 tracks going towards my face. Now that we're on to the second bundle, I'm just going to be laying those in a U shape. With the second bundle, you are going to want to lay most of them in a U shape. Some of them can go towards your face, but not all of them, because that will have too much hair coming into your face. This is how it looks after the second bundle has been installed, and as you guys can see, my U is continuing to get smaller and smaller, so I'm just going to continue to place those tracks into a U. I lay my tracks into a U until I can't anymore because this really helps with that seamless blend between the leave out and the weave. I had to take a break after all my bundles were installed to do a client's hair, and she actually kind of got the same style as me. It was really cute. Let me know what you guys think. So now that I've taken care of my client, it's back to styling this look, and I am going for like a big natural look. So I did go in and wet all the bundles, apply my Yall curl smoothie, and then I blended the ends a little bit and added in layers. Yeah, I don't know anything much about like doing a curly cut, so I kind of just winged it how I would kind of do some straight hair that I was layering, and it actually turned out really, really good. So I'm just going to let you guys watch how I decided to cut my hair. I'm just going to go and do the other side the exact same way. So now that both sides are cut, I'm just going to start diffusing the hair. And yeah, I'm just now starting to learn how to use a diffuser. This is the best that I've ever used it. I feel like sometimes my outcome can come out a little like frizzy. So yeah, this is how you guys use a diffuser. I did diffuse on cold air. But I should say that it's harder to diffuse longer hair though, so maybe that's the issue. So now I'm just going to press on my leave out, and I didn't go all the way down with the pressing comb because I do want my natural hair to still have a little texture to it when I wand curl it, and that will help the wand curls stay and blend better. My technique for blending real hair with curly weave is to wand the hair towards your face, because I feel like that helps it look way more natural looking instead of like all your curls going backwards. I don't know if that like really makes sense, but you guys will see what the outcome of my look is like. My hair just blends so well with the weave. And yeah, I straight broke my 3/8 inch wand curler, so I had to use the very tip of my big wand curlers. I was really upset. I literally broke them the day before this. So if I had my small wand curlers, I would have used those. I didn't have time to order any more before doing my hair because I needed my hair done this day because I was going out of town the next day to Chicago. And for the opposite side, I'm doing the same thing, curling towards my face. And now it's time to get into my edges. I know it's very controversial to cut edges, but mine just grow too long. Like, I feel like I don't necessarily have baby hairs. I have edges that don't grow as long as my real hair and grow too long for baby hair. But yeah, anyways, so now I'm just doing my edges. So this is the finished product. I absolutely love how this look turned out. It looks so natural, and I love this water wave texture. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and make sure to like and comment on this video, and let me know what tutorials you guys want to see next.